Good morning, students. Welcome to Module 9 of Economics. Today, we are going to study the remaining part of Chapter 14. The topic is Functions of Central Bank. Children, in the previous topic, we studied the functions of commercial bank, and we also came to know how the commercial bank create credit. In this topic, we will study how does the central bank control on commercial bank. Functions of central bank. First is bank of issue. It enjoys the monopoly of note issue. Currency notes and coins issued by the central bank are legal tender. Children, legal tender means वो ऐसा करेंसी, ऐसा मनी जिसे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने गारंटी दे रखी हो, उसको हम लीगल टेंडर बोलते हैं. Notes issued by central bank are widely accepted. Central bank has control on bank credit by printing notes and minting of coins. The government earns profit. Other is banker, fiscal agent and advisor to government. Central bank is also the banker, fiscal agent and advisor to the central government. Government of India opens its account in central bank. Central bank performs all the work of government, and the commercial bank performs the work of people in general. It is fiscal agent, fiscal advisor of the central government. It works on financial advisor to the government. Banker to the bank. Commercial banks are under statutory obligation to keep a certain percentage of their deposits as reserves with the central bank. It provides financial assistance to the commercial bank. The commercial banks do their activities under the guidelines issued by central bank. Children, central bank issue the guideline and all the commercial banks have to work under the guidelines issued by central bank. Custodian by nation's foreign exchange. The central bank controls both the receipts and payments of foreign exchange. Foreign exchange means when we exchange our rupee to the rupee currency of the other countries, then it is known as foreign exchange. Exchange may also be known as the import and export, but here exchange means the exchange of the currencies. So, it controls exchange rate by forcing exchange control regulation. Exchange rate means the rate at which the currency of a country is exchanged with the currencies of the foreign countries. Other is lender to the last resort. Now, with the commercial bank have exhausted their resources, then the central banks provide them fund. When commercial banks finish all the currency, all the credit, all the cash with them, then they have to ask for the loan from the central bank. Clearing houses are transferred for transfer and settlements of mutual claims of commercial bank. Since the commercial banks have their cash reserve with central bank, it is easier and convenient to claim and settle claims on each other by making transfer entries in their accounts maintained with the central bank. Besides of these work, the central bank controls the credit created by commercial banks by adopting quantitative and qualitative methods. It does the promotional and developmental function of country. It collects economic and statistical information relating to different aspects of economy and publish them. Children, now we are proceeding to the next part of this video, and that is in expansion 2. Credit control by central bank. The central bank of country adopts to the following methods to control the credit created by commercial bank. These are the quantitative methods and qualitative methods. Quantitative method. First is bank rate. It is a time-honored tool of the regulating the bank credit. By changing the bank rate, the central bank can control the value of cost of credit. Children, bank rate which we pay for loan, bank rate which we receive for our deposit is generally fixed by central government, the central bank. Central bank fix that rate. So by fixing the rate, central bank can influence the credit creation done by the commercial bank. Central bank raises bank rate. This may lead the rate of interest charged by the commercial bank from their customer. In the time of deflation, the condition is reversed. Repo rate is the rate of interest at which RBI lends to commercial bank for short period. Children, you know, when commercial bank exhaust their cash, they have to take loan from the central bank. So central bank charge the interest from commercial bank. This is known as repo rate. Means repo rate is the rate of interest at which central bank gives loan and advances to the commercial bank. On the other hand, reverse repo rate is the rate of interest at which the RBI borrows from commercial bank for short period. RBI can also borrow money from commercial bank when it requires. So central bank has also to pay the interest to the commercial bank. This is known as the reverse repo rate. Other is open market operations. It refers to the sale and purchases of government and other approved security by central bank in money and capital market. It influences the cash reserve with the commercial bank and thereby the power of credit control. Then is cash reserve ratio. It is minimum percentage of the total deposits with the commercial bank which they require to maintain in the form of cash reserve with central bank. Children, whatever deposition do we make in the commercial bank? Commercial bank keep a certain percentage of cash as reserve, and after that what is left, commercial bank give in the form of loan and advance. So it is known as cash reserve ratio. The central bank has power to vary the cash reserve ratio. Means cash reserve ratio can be varied by the central bank. It may be 10%, other time may be 5%, other time may be 12%. So it depends on the need of central bank what it likes to do. Advances on the basis of which the commercial bank create credit. Stationary liquidity ratio refers to that portion of total deposits of commercial bank which it has to keep with itself in the form of cash reserve, gold and government securities. This measures aim at making the commercial bank to keep adequate amount of cash with them to meet the cash demand for the deposit and to control the amount of bank credit. Other is qualitative or selective credit control methods. First is regulations of consumer credit. The central bank may regulate the use of bank credit by consumer to buy durable consumer goods by changing the interest rate charged on such loans and influencing of down payment, number of installments for repayment of loan. Children, when the person take loan from the bank has to fix the down payment. So this down payment can be increased, can be decreased as the desire of the central bank. So by increasing or decreasing, it can also influence the consumer credit. Other is regulations of margin requirement. The commercial bank offers secured loans. Secured loans means the loan for which some security is given for the bank. They give loan against some security. They give loan which is less than the value of security. Suppose we have put the land for security. So the bank will value the price value of the land, okay, and then the difference of the loan that the bank is giving and the value of the land is known as the margin requirement. Suppose the land which you kept in the form of security is valued for 5 lakh and you are wanting to have the 6 lakh rupees as loan, then difference is 1 lakh. You have to pay 1 lakh rupees as the margin requirement. So by adopting this way, government can, central bank can influence the credit created by commercial bank. Credit rationing. The central bank put limitations for the loan given to the customer. It may fix minimum or maximum amount of loan or advances to the total deposits of commercial bank. At what ground commercial bank will give the loan is decided by central bank. Central bank can have the limit of loan and advancing. It may be less or more than actual it is. Other is direct action. The central bank may issue various directives to the commercial bank to regulate their lending and investment activities. The central bank may take direct action against the commercial bank regarding loan and advancing. Other is moral suasion. It is method of persuasion, request, informal suggestion and advice to the commercial banks by central bank. Central bank may request the commercial bank not to grant loans or grant more loans as the condition may. मीन्स मोरल सुएशन क्या होता है, जैसे जब एक डायरेक्ट मेथड से या सही तरीके से काम नहीं होता है तो जो हेड हैं, जो एडवाइज़र हैं, वो एक मॉरली उनको रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, उनको परस्यू करते हैं कि ठीक है बैंक इस समय घाटे में है, ठीक है, आप लोन कम दीजिए या लोन अधिक दीजिए, ठीक है, क्या इसका जो रास्टिंग कर दीजिए। तो इस तरह से तमाम सारे मार्क्स मतलब उसको एक फिजिकली साइकोलॉजिकली उनको जो है ट्रेन करते हैं। अदर इज पब्लिसिटी। सेंट्रल बैंक एक्सप्रेसेस इट्स व्यू अबाउट वेरियस मॉनेटरी एंड बैंकिंग पॉलिसीज। The central bank uses this method both for influencing credit policies of the commercial bank as well as to influence the public opinion in the country. Whatever the data is obtained, central bank has to publish it and it can also file the publication on the matter. Students, I hope you have understood the topic I have explained today. Please do all the worksheet of your module in your notebook and bring it to school on Monday morning. Students, if you have any problem regarding this video, you may come to school on Monday between 8 to 10 p.m. to discuss the problem with me. Thank you very much for attending the video.